Long ago, there were two friends. One was a farmer and the other was a shepherd.
A terrible disease killed all my sheep. What I will do?
Don't worry, my friend. I will help you. Here, take half of my land. You can become a farmer too.
One day, while the shepherd was digging in his new fields, he found a chest full of gold.
Wow! Look! Gold, your lands!
Ah, but it's your land, so the gold belongs to you, my friend.
No. It was found your lands, so it's yours.
Not yours.
The two friends couldn't agree, so they went to a wise man.
This is not easy. I will ask my student. Come, my students.
The land belongs to the Khan, so the gold should go to him.
No, he brought it to the white man, so it shall belong to you, teacher.
What do you think, my last student?
Weeds used to make a garden for poor people so they can eat and rest there.
Very good. Excellent idea. You, student, will go to the city to buy seeds.
The student went to the city. On his way, he saw a caravan of camels carrying cages full of birds.
Poor birds, I will buy them.
What I have done!
The birds heard his cries and flew away. Soon they returned, bringing seeds from every corner of the land.
Wow!
Amazing! Look at the trees and flowers.
Fruits for everyone.
Poor people came to eat and rest there. The garden had strange magic. Only those who needed help could enter. The end.